Join me as I dive into some hidden money hacks that could potentially make us rich in 2024. Can I uncover the secrets to financial success? Building wealth is not just a privilege reserved for the elite few. It's a goal that's within reach for anyone who's willing to put in the effort and learn from the best. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to uncover some hidden money hacks that could potentially make you rich in 2024, and I'm super excited to share them with you. When it comes to building wealth, most people struggle with the same few challenges. The first one is lack of knowledge. They simply don't know where to start or what steps to take to achieve their financial goals. The second challenge is financial literacy. They might know what they want to achieve, but they don't understand the financial concepts and the jargon that can help them get there. The third challenge is access to resources. They might have the knowledge and the desire, but they lack the financial means to take action. And the fourth challenge is perhaps the most significant one: procrastination. They might have the knowledge, the financial literacy, and the resources, but they just can't seem to take the first step towards building wealth. Procrastination is a major obstacle that holds many people back from achieving their financial goals. They might say things like, I'll start investing when I have more money, or I'll start saving when I get a higher paying job. But the truth is, there is no better time to start building wealth than right now. The sooner you start, the faster you'll get there. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on today: taking action and making progress towards our financial goals. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and start building wealth? Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share some hidden money hacks that can help you do just that. From investing in index funds to utilizing high yield savings accounts, we're going to cover it all. One of the first and most powerful money hacks is investing in index funds. By doing so, you're essentially buying a small piece of the entire market. And historically, the market has always gone up in the long run. It's a low risk, high reward strategy that anyone can use to build wealth over time. Another hack is utilizing high yield savings accounts. These accounts can earn up to 2% interest on your savings, which might not seem like a lot, but it can add up to thousands of dollars over the years. And the best part is, it's completely risk-free. Another hidden money hack is exploring side hustles. By starting a side hustle, you can increase your income and invest the extra money into your wealth building strategies. The key is to find something you're passionate about and that you can potentially earn you a decent income. It can be freelancing, online tutoring, or even selling products online. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are crystal clear. You'll be earning more money and building wealth faster. But the most powerful money hack of all is compound interest. It's a force that can significantly change one's financial trajectory in 2024, and it's something that anyone can take advantage of. By investing your money and letting it compound over time, you can potentially earn tens of thousands of dollars in interest alone. It's a strategy that's been used by the wealthy for centuries, and it's something that you can start using today. The key is to start early and be consistent. By doing so, you'll be taking advantage of the power of compound interest and building wealth faster than you ever thought possible. It's a strategy that requires patience and discipline, but the rewards are well worth it. So make sure to take action and start using compound interest to your advantage today. In conclusion, building wealth is not rocket science. It's about making a few smart decisions and taking consistent action towards your financial goals. By using the hidden money hacks we discussed today, you can potentially make yourself rich in 2024. So go ahead and take the first step towards financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment below and let me know which money hack you found the most interesting. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more wealth building tips.